Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how to fix that your headphones automatically start or pause the music. So, actually this issue is very complex and we can't do anything with that apart from doing basic firmware things. The first thing that I actually recommend doing is the factory reset. You need to simultaneously hold this multifunctional button right here and volume up buttons when your headphones are in the Bluetooth mode for 5 seconds. This is the factory reset, and this should actually fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, this is probably located in the buttons itself, right here. And you can't do anything with that. You need to just check if you can click them with ease, if they click, or if they lagged, or if they are lagged, or if they cannot be clicked. If they cannot be clicked, you need to contact device support to have your headphones fixed, and if nothing works, you need to have your headphones fixed by contacting to the device support. But if you don't want to contact the device support, we can do one more thing. You need to take a look at these buttons, and if you see that they are very dirty, very oily, or something is wrong and you can clean it, just clean your headphones. Try cleaning them just a little bit using some maybe cotton swab or something like that. And if nothing helped, you need to contact device support, as I said. That's it. Bye.